Oh, I got some film or what?
Yeah.
Alyssa's very good at running all this equipment.
I know she is.
She cut and laid up on Monday. She has
300 and some. I know, I couldn't believe it.
Done already?
No, I couldn't get the task manager thing to. Okay, I'm just getting confused.
Oh, that production manager?
Yeah.
And you know what I find so crazy? How simple it is.
It's not that bad.
It's like pressing print on a printer.
But even easier because there's that whole icon, which is. Yeah. But one thing.
Yes, actually, Alyssa.
Might not be as strong as it once was.
The motor is a beast on that thing. We really need to get a separate vinyl plotter. Because you have to sit there and spool out.
Yeah.
No, I can.
So I finally had enough sticker there, and I had to be like.
Fuck you! I'm like, everything works fine. Except for the magnet comment. Oh, if you were a